In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Drive as a local drive on your PC. We're going to use Google's recommended method called Drive for Desktop. This turns your cloud files into a drive you can open right from File Explorer, so everything feels familiar and easy to manage. Start by downloading Google Drive for Desktop from Google's official site. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to allow the app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and approve that so the installation can complete. When it's done, Google Drive will launch automatically or be available from your Start menu. Next, sign in with your Google account to connect your PC to your drive. After you sign in, the app will ask how you want your files to sync, as you'll see two options: Stream Files or Mirror Files. Stream Files is the space-saving choice. It shows your entire drive on your PC, but only downloads a file when you open it. This is great if you have limited storage and a reliable internet connection. Mirror Files stores your drive content in the cloud and on your computer. That means your files are available offline and open instantly, but they will take up local disk space. Pick the option that best fits how you work. Once you've made your choice, click Start. The app will finish setting things up in the background. Give it a moment. Your computer is creating the connection so your files appear like a local drive. Now, open File Explorer on Windows. Look under this PC or in the navigation pane and you should see Google Drive listed as a drive, often with the letter G, or as a Google Drive folder. Either way, it behaves just like a normal disk. Double-click to open it. You can browse your folders, drag and drop files, copy, paste, and rename items just as you would anywhere else on your computer. From here on, you can work directly in that drive. With streaming, files will download as you open them and free up space when you don't need them. With mirroring, everything is stored locally, so your files are ready even without internet. Changes you make in this drive will sync to your Google Drive in the cloud, keeping everything up to date across your devices. That's it. Your Google Drive is now set up as a local drive on your PC and ready to use.